Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. DIY craft videos. So viewers, in this video I'm going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning polymer clay decoration ideas. So these are very beautiful and these are very unique and very amazing and very pretty polymer decoration ideas. These are very stunning, very pretty and very unique polymer clay centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. These are super stunning and very pretty and very unique collection for you guys, and I hope so viewers you like these polymer clay decoration ideas. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very stunning, these are very pretty, and these are very classic collection for you guys, and I hope so you like these polymer clay centerpieces decoration ideas. These are super amazing and super unique and most beautiful collection for you guys, and I hope so you enjoy these type of polymer clay centerpieces decoration ideas. So guys, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique polymer clay ideas for you guys, for beginners especially, and I hope so you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos, and these are very beautiful and these are very amazing and very unique polymer clay ideas for you guys. So follow for more details and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of polymer clay ideas at home. This is very unique and very amazing ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are super amazing, super unique and very incredible polymer clay ideas for you guys, and I hope so you enjoyed this video. So take care of yourself and keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Allah Hafiz guys.